and welcome back to my lesson. In this lesson, I will tell you what you can do after this course. And you can see here is a trading system. We have three main factors: trading strategies, trading psychologies, and risk management. And my course was built based on the trading system. The first one, about the trading strategies. You can understand the big pictures and you can analyze the charts using multiple time frame, supply and demand, price patterns, candle patterns, and you can set the order, take profits, stop loss, trailing stop, how to quick exit if the trading against you. And here is things can tell you about the story to be profitable traders. And about psychology, you will learn how many emotions in the trading and what your normal arc for emotion and solution for the emotion to be controlled very quickly, very easily. And about the risk management, calculate the risk as percent of your car, judge your trading ability using your reward risk ratio, win rate, drawdown in the market, and combine the strategies with the supply and demand to develop the trading careers to minimize the losses and maximize the profits with the demand and supply. Very important. And the last one, how to practice and control risk very successfully. And I already opened one video about the example in the part number 9. You can reverse and you can understand how and what you can do after this course. Thank you very much and see you next lesson.